Dear learners, in this video we will learn how to create the categories and courses inside the Gnomio module. So I hope you have already created the Gnomio site. So I have created my own site, that is javaprogramming.gnomio.com. So just click on the left hand side top to pop up the options. So just click on the site administration. It will show different settings related to the site. So just click on the option courses. So here it just show different options. So I just click on the add category. So inside the add category, by default one category is already present, that is miscellaneous. So if you want to create your own category, then you can create by using this option. So just put parent category as a top. Then here you can put the name of the category. For example, I just put the name as final year. Then course ID, which is optional, and you can write the description, that is final year students. So I have just write the description related to the category. So category is nothing but if you want to manage the courses related to the class. So for example, if you want to add the second year courses separately, third year courses separately, final year courses separately, then you can put the category of name second year, third year and final year, and just click on the create category button. So here it just show the category. So by default my category is miscellaneous and I have created one new category, that is final year. So inside this category I have to add new courses. So just click on the new courses, create new courses, and here you have to specify the details related to the new courses. So add new courses. So I just write the full name of that course, for example Java programming, then short name, for example JP. Then here you have to just write course category. So either in which course you want to belong, that is miscellaneous category or final year. So I have just created final year. So within that I have just write this course. Again we have to mention the course starting date, course ending date, then course ID number. For example, I just write the 101. Again these are the optional field. Again here you can put the message. For example, I just put the Java programming as a message. Then you can also upload the course summary file. Then there are the different options related to the course format, appearance, files uploads, completion tracking, groups, role naming and tags. So just no need of setting these all options. So just click on the save and display button, so that it just show this particular newly created course. So inside this particular course we can add the number of participants inside the course. So here again we can move towards the site administration, and here we can click to the courses and the manage courses and categories. So here whatever the things we have just created, that things are written over here. Okay, so final year having the category as a Java programming. So we have the final year as a category, course as a Java programming. So by default, the miscellaneous course we just hide. So just click on the icon and just disable it. So whenever we just disable it, it just make a cross on that category. So this category as well as courses we can display on the site home. So inside the, if you click on the site home, then by default it just show only the courses. So how to display the category names? So go to the again site administration, and go to the front page setting. So here inside the front page and front page items, when login, you have to just display the list of category, and inside the enroll courses you have to just display the list of categories, and just save the changes. So again visit to the site home. So here you can just display the two categories, one is disabled by us and final year. So for the student only just display the final year category. So if you click on the final year, it just go to the Java programming course. So here we can add the number of courses under that one category, that is final year. So in this way we can create the categories and courses for our Gnomio account. Thank you.